Hi guys, my name is Julia and welcome to my channel. I bought my new film camera on a flea market in Germany, so let's try it. I'm not a professional, I'm just learning, making a lot of mistakes, but film is my passion and I don't want to give up on this. I want to practice more and I want to invite you in this journey with me.
Insecure, I'll admit it. I'm paranoid of all these things. Where you leave, where you stay, my mind has never had an ease.
Thank you that you watched my video. I hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, some pictures doesn't have focus, some of them are unexposed, but I made it with love and I hope to grow in it. Thank you, we'll see you soon.